Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to do a little bit of additional dyeing on a flannel shirt. This shirt started out as a black and white buffalo plaid shirt from Walmart in the men's section. I did a color removal process using out white Brite on the shirt, and it took the black portion to a taupe color. Then I ice dyed the shirt and it turned out looking like this. It doesn't look bad, but I wasn't super happy with the way this looked, so I decided to go ahead and ice dye it a little bit more. The shirt is completely dry. I haven't soaked it in anything or treated it with anything. By the way, I have links to the other two videos for the other two treatments that I've done to this shirt down below in the description for this video. I've taken a plastic dish pan that I got from the dollar store and placed the shirt down in the dish pan, and then underneath the shirt I'm going to place about 3 softball size wiffle balls, just to add a little dimension to the shirt. Then over the top of the shirt, I'm going to place some ice. I'm going to place some nightshade from Dharma over the top of the ice. Then, because I haven't done anything to the shirt, I need to add some soda ash. And I'm going to sprinkle a pretty generous portion of soda ash over the top. Honestly, I thought I would just try to experiment with this shirt. I mean, how much more can I do to it at this point? So let's see whether sprinkling the soda ash over the top is enough soda ash to properly react and bond with the shirt. I put the shirt aside and allowed the ice to melt, and then I left it for about 24 hours after all the ice melted. I took it to my utility sink and began rinsing it in cold water. Because this flannel shirt is so thick, I dumped it out of the wash pan and then just left it down in the bottom of my sink while I was cleaning the wash pan. The Dawn dish soap won't hurt the shirt. It's just gonna cause a few bubbles in the water. Because of the thickness of the shirt, I went ahead and just added the stopper to the sink, ran some really hot water in the sink and a little bit more Dawn dish detergent, and allowed the shirt to soak. I changed the water out when it cooled off and continued the soaking process until the water was almost clear. Then I put it into my washing machine along with some Dharma's textile detergent and washed it using a hot water cycle. Okay, so after all of the different things that have been done to the shirt, once it was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what do you think? I think it looks better than it did before. I like the addition of the nightshade in on top of all the pink. It kind of tones it down a little bit. It also adds a little extra dimension to have that other color in there. I added more than just one color to the shirt last time. I used Magenta Galactica from Dharma, Pure Magenta from Dye Spin, and Royal Purple from Dye Spin. But you really can't see the purple in the shirt before I added this nightshade in. The Magenta Galactica was the overall color that was really the most prominent. So I wouldn't say that I'm in love with this shirt, but I would say that if you wanted a flannel shirt that was very unique and different, I think this one is really cool as far as that goes. It's not very easy to find shirts that are flannel and are not a plaid of some form. But I definitely would not set out to do a shirt like this where I had to go through the color removal process and a couple of different dye processes to get it. I can say this though, I was very pleased with the way just adding the soda ash over the top of the dye worked out. I was a little bit concerned because this shirt is so thick that not soaking it in soda ash beforehand would maybe not work out so great, but I'm very pleasantly surprised. So I'm officially done with this shirt. I'm not going to do anything else to it. I'm not going to mess with it in any other way. It is finished and done. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging though, because I asked for suggestions on what to do the last time I dyed it to kind of maybe tone down the color a little bit. So I thought I would come back and at least show you what I did to the shirt. So it may not be your favorite video that I've done, but if you've enjoyed the fact that I shared my not so perfect shirt with you and kind of showed you how to fix it a little bit, I sure would appreciate it if you guys would like the video and would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.